Hi everybody, Sahil Bora here from C++BetterExplained.com, and today we're going to be talking about what is null pointers in C++. So the definition of a null pointer in C++, the very basic definition that I can give you guys is that a null pointer is a pointer which doesn't point to anything in the source code. So it doesn't point to anything in the memory address or an object. It's completely null. So that's why we call them a null pointer. It's something which doesn't point to anything at all. So when we're using null pointers in C++, they're really handy when we are initializing pointers for the first time. Because when we initialize pointers for the first time, we want them to not we don't want them to be initialized to anything. So therefore we use the null keyword when we are initializing pointers. So you might be asking yourself the question, why can't we, if null is equal to 0, why can't we just set the pointers to 0? Now, technically we can set a null pointer to 0. If we have a pointer and we equal it to 0. The problem is that this isn't really good practice, because this is actually going to confuse yourself and other people down the line when we're setting up pointers for the first time. So it's actually better practice to actually use the null keyword when we are initializing pointers for the first time. So to avoid any confusion between using the value of 0 or null in our programs, especially when we're working on a large code base, with over 5,000 to 10,000 plus lines of code and everything. We want to keep things as consistent as possible. So that's why we use when we're initializing pointers for the first time. It's always good programming practice to use the null keyword when we are initializing pointers for the first time. So that pretty much covers it and explains what null pointers are and why we use them in our C++ programs. And if this video has helped you out a lot, don't forget to smash that like button down below, and don't forget to click on the red button down below to subscribe to the latest videos of the C++ Better Explained YouTube channel. Attention computer science and engineering students. Are you tired of falling asleep in class while your lecturer spills that C++ gobbledygook? My name is Sahil Bora, and I'm the founder and proprietor of the C++ Better Explained website. What I'm offering you guys today is my 87-page book that outlines how to quickly and easily master the fundamentals of the C++ programming language. So if you've been searching around for free C++ tutorials that haven't made any sense at all, or free YouTube videos that have made you want to gouge your eyes out, my book will put all that rest today, because my book is written in a straightforward and direct manner that will get you understanding the fundamentals of the C++ language in a matter of days, using my learning tools such as Analogies for Dummies, Logic Made Easy, and simple code diagrams that makes learning the C++ language brain dead easy and super fast. The book is $19, so click on the orange button below and pick up your copy today. You will not regret this at all.